Want to make your home super attractive in no time? A small front yard garden design can instantly alter the curb appeal of your house, regardless of how much room you have. From fashionable flower beds to easy-to-maintain layouts, we set up a front yard that is currently trendy and inviting and will catch eyes wherever it is. Sparkle's Garden Glow welcomes you to explore all our small garden ideas, landscaping vibes, and creative touches for your outdoors. Take a moment to give us a thumbs up if you enjoy creating cool getaway spaces from boring grass patches. Subscribe for more tips, and tell us what you think in the comments below. Your dream front yard is merely a couple of steps away. Let's grow it together.